Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 66, Quranic verses, The Prohibition against Seeking Authority. The king said, "Bring him to me, so that I may appoint him to myself as my personal counselor." And when he had conversed with him, he said, "From this day, you shall be of high standing with us, established and trusted." He, Joseph, said, "Place me in charge over the storehouses of the land, for I am a good custodian, a knowledgeable one." Yusuf 55. As for the abode of the hereafter, we will assign it to those who do not seek arrogant power on earth, nor cause corruption and disorder. The truly desirable outcome is for the Allah-revering pious. Al-Qasas 2883, hadith number 352, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Ahkam 5, Ayman 1, Sahih Muslim, Ayman 19, Imara 13. Abu Sayyid Abdur Rahman ibn Samura, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, O Abdur Rahman ibn Samura, do not ask for leadership. If you are given it without asking for it, you will be helped in it. If you are given it through asking for it, it will be up to you. If you make a vow and then see something other than it which is better than it, then do that which is better and expiate your oath." Hadith number 353, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Imara 17. Abu Dar, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, O Abu Dar, I see that you are weak, and I want for you what I want for myself. You will never be put in charge of even two men, nor be put in charge of the property of an orphan." Hadith number 354, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Imara 16. Abu Dar, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I said, "O Messenger of Allah, why do you not appoint me?" He clapped me on the shoulder with his hand and then said, "Abu Dar, you are weak. It is a trust, and on the day of rising, it will be disgrace and regret, except for the man who takes it as it should be taken and fulfills what is demanded of him in respect of it."